So let's connect these guys in parallel and run some devices off of it. Everything in this room that is turned on right now with everything on that I just showed you, my inverter shows 650, 660 watts out of battery 212, which is this. We're pulling 31 amps. Let's check battery 409, and same 32 amps out of there, fluctuating a little bit there. But basically, let's say 32 amps per battery, about 8 3/4 hours off of these batteries with everything on. It's gonna be a little bit longer because right now I believe the refrigerator compressor is on. Let's see what happens when I turn off things that I don't really need and how long I can run my house with more conservative power. And I still have the fridge going in the kitchen. So now I'm only pulling about 400, 410 watts. We're pulling 20 amps. And same roughly 20 amps out of battery 212. So let's say now we're pulling 40 amps. So 280 times 2, 560 divided by 40. Now I'm getting 14 hours of runtime for everything that's on in the house. And I can still turn stuff off. This is a really cool setup.